how to replace the PCV valve in your 97 to 2004 C5 Chevy Corvette. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So the PCV valve is actually right here. It's right in front of the passenger side of the engine. And you'll take this and just pull it back. And if you look inside, you will see the PCV valve. So I'm going to grab some pliers and pull this out. Now there's a little ridge here that sits down in the slot inside the rubber boot, so you'll need the pliers and just wiggle it back and forth and it'll come out. So now I have my new PCV valve. I'm just gonna push it down into the boot, make sure it goes all the way in and it snaps into the slot on the inside, and then we'll just push it back into the hose and this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.